All right, everybody. The blizzard of 2025. We got about 12 inches of snow. Yeah, we got about 12 inches of snow, maybe a little bit more. And what I gotta do out in this blizzard, I'll have the dogs come with me, is see that 4-seat. I'll take it. Whoa, look how deep this is. From behind me, my cabin, I have to go up all the way to the other top of that hill and check on a campsite. Make sure these tents are staying up. See my tent down here? It is getting a little heavy on them poles. We got 2 more up here that we gotta go check on for my buddy Dan. It's my neighbor's property. That's what neighbors do. Whoa! About fell down there. Sure is beautiful, all this whiteness. What? Hey! Hey! We're going this way. Oh yeah, this is at least a foot deep. Well, stay with me. Good girl, good guys. Come on, good Nugget, good Daisy. It's right here is why I love to live out here. I mean, no matter what, even if you're stuck, snowed in, it is just unbelievably beautiful. You can't live in anywhere more beautiful than this. Come on, Daisy. Come on, Nugget. Creek's still running. Overflow pond is frozen. Just gorgeous. Just gorgeous. Nugget. Daisy. Place is all the way over there. But I still got a lot more distance to go. Slow and steady. Slow and steady. So beautiful out here. I mean, it's 23 degrees, but it doesn't feel all that cold. That's weird. Like, there's not much wind, but it's like the snow acts like an insulator. Oh, I can see it. I can see it up there. Thanks everybody for taking this journey with me. Nugget, Daisy. Those dogs are going to have fun. Luckily, they always come home. And there's no one anywhere around here right now. If you can get here, you amaze me. Because I'm not going anywhere for days. It's not, my Jeep won't make it. But why? Who cares? Perfect spot for a tree stand. They got one right there. Oh man, just gorgeous. This last part of the hill will get you. Oh, look at that little bird right there. Little birds in the snow. Starlings are, I think it's a starling. They love this winter weather. Well, tarp blew off. This one is holding up all right. This one, on the other hand, is not. Well, I'm not fixing that. Have to wait for the snow. I could have swore I seen a snow shovel around here. Let's see. Daisy, Nugget. Nugget, Daisy. Daisy, Nugget. Go. Well, the rain guards did not handle up with the weight of all this snow. I'm going to have to wait for it to melt and then come up here and fix it. That's the name of outdoor living. Let's go back down the hill. I mean, the canvas part's fine. That rain guard did not handle that weight. I mean, I don't know if the canvas part could take another 2 or 3 foot, but a foot it's handling it right now. That one, on the other hand, it did not. I'm sure it's salvageable. I'm sure it just collapsed the poles under the weight. I'll have to come up here and once some snow melts. Oh, let's get back down the hill. We did only thing we can do. Daisy, Nugget, come on, we'll go home. Home. We're going home, come on. Go home. Daisy, Nugget. Come on, guys. One. My place is over there. We're almost there. Daisy, Nugget, come on, let's go home. How deep my footprints are. Look at that. The Jeep's almost completely covered. Nugget, Daisy, come on. Can't even tell if it's road, except for there was one big ass truck that came through here. My Jeep isn't doing that. For sure. Look at how deep those are. There's a big old truck. Back to my place. My tent's holding up okay. I mean, kinda. Smoke coming out of the chimney. Icicles on the house. Old man winter treated us good on this storm. Well, don't worry, these dogs will come back. And two, it was nice taking you on my adventure. Have a great day.